It is time once again for listening and assignments, this time for week 12. For the listening, you have two pieces, Alexis Bacon's Ojibwe Song and Maze by Lynn Geringer with additional programming by Mike Zellers. Ojibwe Song is an excellent example of the interplay of voice, percussion, and electronics created through electronic manipulation. Really listen to the way in which the timbres merge and diverge in order to create interrelated variations on the speech rhythms and the percussion motives played by the live percussionist. Maze is completely different. All the sounds you're going to hear are general MIDI sounds that are tracked to a user's movement through procedurally generated maze, which was coded by Zellers in processing. Geringer's approach is to reimagine the idea of the sequencer and the instrument in the form of an interactable object. The player's moves and thus the possible timbre changes are determined by their position in the maze and, in a sense, are limited in ways that are not normally applicable to an instrument. It's a very, very interesting look at sequencing and automation. So here the main ideas are going to be using the voice and automation. And then, in the case of Ojibwe Song, how this happens live with the percussion. In the case of Maze, how all of this happens live with the person who's playing the game. For your assignment, you are going to be mangling your voice. Using a minimum of 4 audio tracks in your DAW, 1 microphone, and any number of effects, I want you to create a piece that mangles your spoken, not sung, voice. You can use any effects that you want to use, but MIDI is forbidden unless you are running the voice into a sampler. You can use any text you want that you find on either Project Gutenberg or the Internet Archive, but it must be between 30 and 60 seconds for the piece. All effects, volume, and panning must be automated. The resulting piece should be narrative, exploring the text and using effects to enhance the effect or to create a sonic counterpoint to the words. Make sure that you upload your text as a Microsoft Word file with a link to the source in your project folder. I want to see your completed project and a Word doc of your text.